Hello, Mr. Lair. This is Joey from Sound Systems over in Myrtle Beach, and I'm at the Latta Center. Miss Eleanor asked me how we could use a split track capability as we play the the CD player. It is actually tied into channels 31 and 32, as you can see. But when we play a CD, you have to come over here and move the sliders up and down. But if we noticed, the select button for 31 and 32 are the same. So in other words, when I play the CD player, both of those channels come up simultaneously. Now, what happens is with a split track CD, you would have instruments on one side and vocals on the other side, which is fine. That's what a split track tape does. If we'd like to be able to run split tracks, then here's what we'll do. Push the select button, as you can see there, and we come over here to the side, and it says link. This button right here that says stereo link, and when I push that button, one of those goes off. Now that allows us to have individual slide controls for, if this were the instruments, for example, we could control that independently, and if this were the vocals, we could control that independently. Now I've got independent control for each one. Once that's done, if I don't want to use a split track, I can come right back over here to the link button. It says stereo link, and when I push that button, when I push it, see, both channels come back on. So now my CD plays. So that's the quick way to do split tracks and to use standard CDs. Now, while we're here, we went ahead and did some adjustments on the mixer. This is the mixer that controls sound that goes to the DVD player. What we have is channel 1, which we're going to put a label on it. This comes from the mixer, the main mixer, and this comes from the main mixer. This particular channel is the live microphone that's hanging above our heads here, and that's the microphone that would pick up noise and people talking and all those kind of things. So during the pre-show, if we didn't want to have anybody hear us outside, we could come over here and just turn that off, and that turns that live microphone in the room off that goes to the recording, to the DVD recording. During the program, when we want to hear applause and people out in the audience, we can turn this up or down however we would like. And these two are the direct feed coming from the main audio mixer. Right now, this is an extra one. We went ahead and, we put more wire in during the installation, so we went ahead and left that open, sitting on ready, but there's nothing here. And we're going to put a label here that says extra, do not use. This is going to say live mic, and this is going to say left from mixer, right from mixer. So this is the direct feed coming from the audio mixer that you have been unplugging the cable in the back in order to keep volume down. And then this guy right here is the live microphone, and that microphone is the one that's here out in the auditorium. That microphone there, that's what picks up the crowd noise. Okay, just wanted to run through a few things with you. Thanks, sir.